Throughout Bearcats Bound orientation, where we introduced over 5,400 students to campus, UC's Bookstore's purpose has been to educate the families of new Bearcats on the changing textbook industry. Our Bearcat promise is to offer affordable course materials and prepare students and families with the game plan to improve their academic success. Professor Dr. Tamika C. Odom stated, "When students utilize course materials, it greatly enhances their learning experience. Acquiring and using the assigned course materials are important for achieving academic success." UC Bookstores hosted a session, Explore, Experience, Excel, within orientation to help navigate college course materials. After speaking with families at our sessions, many felt more confident guiding their student to the options that are both affordable and meet their learning needs. UC SmartBooks feature-rich digital books are the fastest growing affordability option, with 40% of titles available for fall 2018. Last year, our affordability initiative saved students over $2.2 million in course materials. The Include Ed program contributes to a major part of these savings, providing materials as part of the course fee. To learn more about the UC Bookstore's affordability story, please visit the following links.